Good morning to everybody. I am Pradipta sir. Now I am teaching the basic algebra. Okay, my dear students. Good morning. The subject is basic algebra. Okay. Number one question. A very important questions for you. If x square minus 6x plus 7, okay, is equal to 0, then what is the value of of x square plus 49 by x square? Okay, if x square minus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0, then what is the value of x square plus 49 by x square? What is the solution? The option for you, number one option 30, number two option 26, number three option 24, number four option 22. Okay, I give 1 minute. You have to solve. Now start the solution. Okay, the question is x square plus 49 by x square. So it is very important to see. We have to convert 49 by x square. 49 means 7 ka square. Okay, so write given x square minus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, or we can write x square divide 6 in both sides. By x, we can write by x. Okay, now we can write x square by x minus 6x by x plus 7 by x is equal to 0 by x is equal to 0. Yes or no? Then the next step we can write x square by x is equal to x minus 6x by x is equal to 6 plus 7 by x is equal to 0. Or we can write x plus 7 by x is equal to 6. Okay. So now we can write x square plus 49 by x square. We can write squaring both sides. Squaring both sides is equal to x square plus 7 by 49 by x square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 7 by x is equal to 36. Yes or no? Now we can write x square plus 49 by x square. X cancel, 2 7s are 14. So now we can write 36 minus 14 is equal to 22. So our answer is now x square 49 by x square is equal to 22. Okay. Now you can expand. The answer is option 4. Okay. Then question number 2. Question number 2, very important questions. If x to the power 11, if x to the power 11 is equal to y to the power 0. Okay, is equal to y to the power 0. And x is equal to 2y. Then find the value of y. Okay, this is the question. If x to the power 11 is equal to y to the power 0 and x is equal to 2y, then find the value of y. Okay. How can I find the value of y? The option is, write down the option. I'll give 1 minute. 1, option 2, -1, option 3, half, option 4, -2, option 5, none of these. Okay. Now start the time. Thirty seconds for you. The time is over. Now we solve. So given x to the power 11 is equal to y to the power 0. Y to the power 0 means we can write 1. Okay. So x to the power 11 is equal to 1. X to the power 11 is equal to 1. So what is the value of x is equal to 1? X to the power 11 is equal to 1. So what is the value of x? It must be 1. So x is equal to 1. So automatically here is x is equal to given also x is equal to 2y and given and also given x is equal to 2y. So what is the value of x? 2y is equal to 1 or y is equal to half. This is the answer. So what should be the option? Option 3. Okay. I hope everybody understand. Then question number 3. If x³ plus y³ is equal to 36. Okay. And x plus y is equal to 6. Then what should be the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y? What is the value? x³ plus y³ is equal to 36 and x plus y is equal to 6. Then what should be the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y? The option is 1 by 3, 5 by 6, 6 and 3 by 5. Now time is 30 seconds. You can solve it. Okay, so given x³ plus y³ is equal to 36. x³ y³ का वैल्यू दिया है. So we know that x plus y का होल क्यूब कितना है? x³ plus y³ plus 3xy into x plus y. This x plus y is given. x³ plus y is given. We can find out the value. Then we can write x³ plus y³ is equal to 36 plus 3xy into 6. Okay. Now x plus y का whole cube is equal to 36 plus here is x plus y का whole cube. How much? How much? We can write 6 का cube is equal to 36 plus 18xy. Okay, you can write now 6 ka cube. How much? 216 is equal to 36 plus 18xy. Okay, now we can write 18xy is equal to 216 minus 36 is equal to 180. So xy is equal to 10. Oh, 6 का skip ना so. XSQ is equal to 36 plus 3xy. 38. Okay, now we can write. What is the question? What is the question asks? 1 by x plus 1 by y. So, question is 1 by x plus 1 by y. So, here LCM is xy. ऊपर से कितना हुआ? x plus y. So, x plus y का वैल्यू पहले हम जानते हैं 6 by 10. How much? 3 by 5. Okay, the option is option number 4. Okay, let's see the explanation solution. Okay, now the question number 4.